Konnichiwa, Ai desu. Hello, my name is Ai. I'm a Japanese mom who lives in Southern California with my 2 girls and my partner. In this video, I'm gonna introduce Japanese home cooking. Keywords are easy, simple, yummy, and Japanese. Hi, today is October 2021, and Halloween is around the corner. My favorite holiday in the United States. Halloween is around the corner. And this is my costume. Every year I wear Wisconsin cheese head and celebrate Halloween. This is the only costume I have, and every year I wear this. And today's theme is because of Halloween and because of fall or autumn. Theme is pumpkin. Using pumpkin or Japanese Kabocha, I'm gonna introduce 3 dishes. First, montblanc. Montblanc is usually made with chestnut, but today I'm gonna use Kabocha and make a very delicious Kabocha no montblanc. Second, Kabocha no miso soup. ね、味噌汁 or miso soup. ね、very simple menu, but when you put kabocha in soup or miso soup, you'll be surprised with how it goes well. Kabocha goes well with miso. And third dish is a kabocha no soup. I already made kabocha soup in long time ago in previous video, but today I'm gonna use whole shell or pumpkin and make a very simple yummy soup. So these 3 recipes very simple and easy to make. So please try to make at home with your little ones before Halloween and celebrate Halloween with delicious kabocha dishes. Hi. And if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends. To make 5 kabocha montblanc, you need 1/6 of kabocha. Please choose the orangish dark color kabocha. And 2 tablespoons of heavy cream, 3 tablespoons of sugar, and 1 tablespoon of butter, melt. And 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 3/4 cup of heavy cream, and 1/4 cup of white chocolate chips, and 5 digestive biscuits or cookies of your choice. I chose the chocolate chip cookies because I like sweet. First, we're gonna prepare kabocha. So scoop out the seeds and cut into 1/6 size. So this is half. So half parts cut into three parts. And we only need this part. And we're gonna cut off the skin. And please be careful, kabocha skin is very hard, so use the corner or edge and cut it off the skin. And cut into 2-inch square size. Cut into 2-inch square size. And we're gonna put in a microwavable plate and then cover with plastic wrap and microwave about 3 to 4 minutes until kabocha becomes nice and soft. And after 4 minutes of microwaving, kabocha is ready, and using the back of spoon or fork, smash it. And we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of butter, 3 tablespoons of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of heavy cream, and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and mix very well. And if it's too soft, you can add some more kabocha, microwaved kabocha. And we're gonna prepare cream. So this is called the double boiler method. Add some water in the bottom pan and add bowl on the top of it. Make sure the bowl is not touching water. Heat water low heat. And put chocolate chips in a bowl. Stir often. And remove from the bowl once chocolate is melted to avoid the burning. So once it's melted, remove out of the heat. And once melted chocolate cool down, add 3/4 cup of heavy cream and using the electric mixer, whip until stiff shift as you can see from the video, whip until a stiff peak. Now we're gonna place the whipped cream in a piping bag. I use the star-shaped tip, and it's up to you. And place the heavy cream with white chocolate in a piping bag, and we're gonna do assembly. So cream part is ready. And today I use the cookies instead of biscuit because I love sweets. And we're gonna decorate on over flat side of the cookie. Place some smashed pumpkin, and pipe out some cream. And then over the cream, shift some cinnamon. This is optional. And montblanc, Kabocha no montblanc is ready to serve. And this tastes amazing. My daughters, they were very impressed. They loved it. It's beautiful and tasty and very easy to make. Now let's make very yummy miso soup with kabocha. We need 1/8 of kabocha. Skin is already cut and cut into 1-inch square. And this is 1/3 of small carrot julienne and 1/4 of onion thinly sliced. And this is a 1/4 pound of thinly sliced pork. Pork plays very important role. Gives good flavor. And 4 tablespoons of miso. And 4 cups of water or dashi. And today I use the dashi powder, kombu dashi powder. 2 teaspoons of dashi powder. And add some sesame oil on a pan or pot and saute pork until it's all cooked. And sesame oil and miso, very good match, gives good flavor. And add vegetables, onion, carrot, and pumpkin. And saute until oil coats all vegetables all over. And add 4 cups of water and 2 teaspoons of dashi powder. I use the dashi powder today instead of making real dashi from scratch. And remove the excess bubble. It's called aku. Aku doesn't taste good. So remove the excess bubble. It gives bitterness in your food or soup. And once kabocha is nice and soft, add miso, 4 tablespoons of miso. And once miso is melt, turn off the heat. Immediately turn off the heat. Miso is not supposed to be cooked for a long time. So once miso is melt, 4 tablespoons of miso, turn off the heat, and miso soup with kabocha is ready to serve. And for topping, I add the chopped green onion and tenkasu, tempura no crumb, and shichimi togarashi, Japanese spice, 7 spices, and kabocha no miso soup is ready. It tastes really good. Our last dish is kabocha no soup. We're gonna use whole kabocha and use as a cup. And pick the small kabocha and wet the kabocha and microwave for 5 minutes. And we need 1/4 onion peeled and minced. And 2 slices of bacon cut into small pieces. And 1 teaspoon of curry powder. 1 cup of heavy cream. And half cup of shredded cheese. And first we're gonna prepare the cup, kabocha cup. So this one already microwaved for 5 minutes and cut out the top part. And we're gonna use top part as a lid and scoop out the seed. And since microwaved 5 minutes already, it's easier to handle. So scoop out the seed and clean the inside. And we're gonna saute bacon over medium heat. First saute bacon. So you don't need the oil. Oil comes out of bacon. So saute bacon, and once oil started coming out, add minced onion and saute onion until it gets nice and soft. Add 1 teaspoon of curry powder and saute. Add 1 cup of heavy cream. Add half cup of shredded cheese and salt and pepper. And once cheese is melted, turn off the heat and add cream mixture into the kabocha cup. And in a preheated 350 Fahrenheit oven, we're gonna bake for 50 minutes. 50 minutes. After 15 minutes, kabocha soup is ready to serve. It's kind of soft and hot, so be careful. And use the top part as a lid. And this is a great dish for fall-time potluck or Thanksgiving dish, and serve as a whole. And when you try, scoop out the kabocha too. Kabocha is nice and soft, and the curry flavor goes very well with the sweetness of kabocha. And when you eat, mix in a plate and enjoy. It's very creamy and cheesy and very nice flavor.